Hello, Chris Faust again. We're going to talk about grouping our QR codes and our Microsoft tags. You can see we're on our home page here, and this demo section is where we can create groups here. So as you're logging in, if you have a group for maybe a specific client or a specific department of your business, or you have a specific marketing campaign that you want to reach out a large number of QR codes, you're going to want to group them into specific categories. So kind of think of these as groups and categories at the same time. How we do this is we simply go over to our 2D barcodes, drop this down, go ahead and click Manage Campaigns. When we click on Manage Campaigns, now we're going to see our QR codes that we have here. And then we're going to also see where we can create a group name. We're going to see where we can select a group name. And then we're going to see where we can move these back and forth. Okay? So the first thing that we want to do is this is going to be a group tutorial. Okay? So group tutorial is going to be our group name that we're going to create for this quick lesson here. So once that's been created, you can see that it's down here right now. So everything that we do, and we move these QR codes over into this section, we're moving them into this group tutorial. If we ever wanted to change it, we could. Like this B test here, we could change that, and you can see we already have one in there. If we wanted to go to Advertiser 1, we could see where we have everything in Advertiser 1. Okay. So group tutorial, this is going to be our group, and we're going to take our tutorial QR code, and we're going to take our tutorial Microsoft tag and move it over. You can take this and move right. It's going to put it right in there, or move it out and move it left. If you want to select more than one, highlight one of these listed, hold down the Control key, and click the next one that you want. You can do this if you want to click for different ones that are sporadic. However, if you want to click one here and we want to select all three of these going down, hold the Shift key, then click the bottom, and that'll select all between those. Okay? So we want the Microsoft tag that we did in the tutorial, and we also want the QR code. So what I did was I clicked that, held down Control, and then clicked the other one. Now that those two are highlighted, we're going to move them to the right, and those are now out of the generalized area and into the group name. So group tutorial now has our Microsoft tag and our QR code. So if we were to switch to Advertiser 2, which doesn't have anything, or Advertiser 1, now we have these other QR codes in here that are totally different. Now we go back to group tutorial, and they're still there. Okay, so we're ready to go. How this comes in handy for you is if we go to the home page, and as we are looking at our main page when we log in, we have a lot of QR codes that we can look at. So let's say we have all these QR codes through here, and we say, oh, which ones were for the tutorial that we just did? Well, we can go up to our group tutorial, and there's the two that are in our group tutorial. Okay, and that's how you manage your QR codes using groups. Thank you very much.